Hey guys, I'm gonna do a review for the Colossus smartwatch this time. Well, the straps are made of metal, so if you sweat a lot while wearing the watch, the straps will not get wet, so it's a sweat-proof smartwatch. And there are lots of things you can do with this watch. First of all, if you install the SIM card, you could text and call just from the smartwatch. If you don't install the SIM card, but you only install the SD card, you could take a picture and you could store it inside the smartwatch. This SD card is included with the smartwatch, and it's 16 gigabytes, so you can store plenty of photos. And one of the option of this smartwatch is that it could take a picture, which I'll show you guys right now. You could take a selfie with this. The camera is right here, so you could take a picture. It's not a high quality picture, but it's better than nothing. And then there is the option to play Bluetooth music if it's connected to the phone or any other Bluetooth devices. And I cannot show you guys like the quality of stuff, because if I'm filming with my phone, if I play the music, and the video will be off. So overall, this product is really good. I recommend buying it. I think it's really worth it if you like to run outside, because it's a sweat-proof straps, and you could listen to music if you don't like wearing headphones. Great product.